I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. April's pattern of storms and good rains have been a real blessing for Oklahoma's farmers and ranchers. We can see the impacts of those rains on Mesonet's 7-day change in 10-inch fractional water index map through April 21st. Green colors show good soil moisture improvement. Darker is better. Altus jumped 7/10, while Hobart and May Ranch jumped 8/10. The maximum possible change is a value of 1. The soil moisture at the 10-inch depth is excellent for most of the state at 9/10 or 1, the maximum in fractional water index. Hollis, Grandfield, Kingfisher, Breckenridge, and Pawnee are 5 locations that are still excessively dry at the 10-inch depth. Dropping down to the 24-inch depth, we see an expansion of those areas with dry, deeper soils, the brown-colored areas. Plant available water maps let us know how much water is available for plant growth. On our map from April 21st, green-colored areas are places with good soil moisture from the surface down to 32 inches. These are the areas with 5 or more inches of plant available water. That's enough water to finish wheat and canola crops or get summer crops, pasture, and range off to a great start. Here's Gary with our improving drought situation.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's springtime in Oklahoma. We're getting lots of severe weather, but we're also getting lots of rain. Let's take a look and see how that's impacted the latest U.S. Drought Monitor report. Well, the latest map shows us lots of improvements, especially across west central and northwestern Oklahoma, where now patches of that D2 severe drought have interrupted areas of extreme to exceptional drought, those red and dark red categories. We also have improvements over into central Oklahoma, up into northeastern Oklahoma. Now, unfortunately, we've also had some intensification out in the western panhandle, where areas of severe drought are now up to extreme drought. So while the main body of the state's been getting lots of rain, the panhandle has been left out. Now let's look into the future for the May through July period from the Climate Prediction Center. We see increased odds of above normal precipitation across the southwest and panhandle areas of Oklahoma, and also increased odds of cooler than normal weather across about the western half of the state. That would certainly be good for the panhandle area that needs that rainfall and drought relief. Now combine those into a drought outlook. This is valid through July 31st. We do see chances for drought improvement, but not perhaps removal entirely across the western half of the state. And unfortunately, we see drought persisting or intensifying from northwestern Oklahoma down through southwestern Oklahoma, that core drought area. So we'll take more rain, hopefully with less severe weather, and we'll get out of this drought sooner rather than later. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.